Hi guys, welcome to my channel The Magical Art with Ananya. So today we'll learn to draw a tiger. Wow, that's very easy. Let's quickly start. So first we'll draw an oval or a circle. Add two ears by drawing inverted U, add the nose and draw the face. As you all know, tigers have stripe all over the body. So let's add stripe to the face first, and then let's start drawing the body by drawing two inverted lines, making an arc and adding the stripes. So simple. Now let's draw the tail quickly. Done. Now, as we all know, the tiger lives in the jungle. So let's draw the jungle first. We have added some grass, and now we'll draw leaves of the trees so that it looks like a jungle. See, this is so easy. And have you thought what color you are going to do to your tiger? Think quickly. It's very easy, right? I have colored with this color. You can color with your beautiful color, and do like, share and subscribe my channel The Magical Art with Ananya for more such content.